This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the device identity. Dial *#06# or go to settings about to get the IMEI. This proves the hardware ID. Compare that IMEI and model number to the box in Samsung's expected format because mismatches often mean replacement parts or fraud. Inspect physical fit. Charging port, screen edges, and SIM tray should be flush and uniform. If gaps or glue show, it's likely refurbished. Once done, note serial and IMEI for the next step. Next, you validate software authenticity and component function. Boot into download mode to confirm official firmware signatures. Unauthorized ROMs reveal tampering. Use Samsung members' diagnostics or device care to run automated checks because they catch sensor failures and battery anomalies quickly. Manually test camera, fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, and Wi-Fi/4G bands. These show whether original parts are installed. Make sure to run each test more than once and record any errors, since intermittent faults indicate deeper issues. To finish, verify account and warranty. Ensure the Samsung account is removed and Knox warranty bit remains unbroken. This protects you against hidden repairs. Check battery health and charge cycles using diagnostics, because a weak battery often signals heavy prior use. Inspect the display for burn-in and request original receipt or proof of purchase. If something fails these checks, contact Samsung support or ask the seller for official service history. If the phone won't verify,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.